Maybe you changed your life once and people called it running away, or failing, or being unstable, and it left us shame. Let that go. Changing is not failing. Everything alive that grows has to change shape. There is no other way. A seed cannot become a plant without breaking open first. The old shell ends. That is not the seed failing. That is it growing. You are allowed to outgrow a place, a way of living, even an old version of yourself. Outgrowing is not betrayal. When your old life gave way, you did not fall apart. You grew past it. That is a different thing, and it is the truth. You are not damaged goods. You are a person becoming more. That has always been allowed. We see you. We learn it together.